brand owners engaged in tea, food, and daily chemical products. Once the equipment stops in peak season, the entire production line will stop. Delayed delivery. The hidden costs are immeasurable. Ordinary packaging equipment and accessories on the market. Quick wear and frequent failures. During the critical period, it is easy to stop production. Many packaging machines falsely advertise their speed. Actual production cannot reach the advertised capacity. A large number of orders are continuously backlogged. Simple temperature control and correction systems are prone to problems of poor sealing, leakage, and uneven cutting. Defective products continue to consume raw materials and labor costs, and damage brand reputation. Conventional models have insufficient heat dissipation. It only supports short-term production. It can't meet the 24-hour, the continuous production demand. The fully automatic flexible packaging production line adopts all industrial-grade wear-resistant accessories. The failure rate of the whole machine is greatly reduced. Stable and continuous production in peak seasons. The production capacity parameters of all equipment. It is suitable for tea and leisure food, daily chemicals, and hair care products. The mass production speed is stable. It is equipped with intelligent constant tension, micrometer level constant temperature parallel hot air module. The seal is flat and tight. Reduced defective products from the source. Optimized the whole machine. And enhanced heat dissipation structure. It can run continuously 24 hours a day. It can easily undertake large-scale centralized orders. You need a stable, efficient, and automated packaging solution. You can talk to me.